everyone, Grandma here. Happy Vlogmas. I am making a very easy recipe called party pineapples. I have been making this for years and it has made my parties truly a festive occasion. There are only 3 ingredients. Maraschino cherries that have been drained, a can of chunk pineapples which also has been drained, and a bottle of Creme De Menthe. For this recipe, all you have to do is add some Creme De Menthe to the chunk pineapples and give it a little stir. When you buy the Creme De Menthe, you have to buy the green bottle. Don't buy the clear because then you're not going to get the color. I'm going to put this now in the refrigerator for a while and then I'll take it out. I'll show you how you serve it. I'm scooping out the pineapples and putting it in the dish and just doing it carefully. And you could smell the Creme De Menthe. And Creme De Menthe is also nice to put on ice cream. People like to put it on vanilla ice cream, or they like to put it on pound cake. And this is just the perfect dish for the pineapples. Okay. And now we're going to take our maraschino cherries and just scatter them around. And look how festive this looks with the green and red. Here. Looks good. And one over here. So now this will be put in the refrigerator ready to be served. How's it taste, Grandpa?
Let you know in a minute, Ma. Nice. That Creme De Menthe really hits. And the pineapple. Hopefully there's not too much alcohol in here to get drunk.
I don't think so.
Very good, Ma. You made a good pineapple.
Yeah, these party pineapples go over very well at parties.
And the pineapple and the Creme De Menthe make a nice combination. It's really minty. It's so refreshing. Nice and cool.